beautiful. It's finally warm enough now where I can wear a breathable shirt and it feels fantastic. Anyway, we're gonna head north and yeah, I really got no plan. Just finished a job and have some time to ride. See where we end up. This is the Woodside crossing or cutoff. It would head to Corvallis, but I'm going to skip it. We're going to keep going north on 93. Montana, and I've never explored to the west from here, so I think we're gonna go west and see what we can find. Coming up on Pleasant View Drive, I think we'll go ahead and make a right, which would be north. Got a creek down there. Oh yeah. Ooh, a lot of bugs here. Looks like this is the end of the line for Pleasant View Drive. No outlet if I go straight, so I guess we're gonna have to go right. Sounds to me more exciting than backtracking. Why not? Let's try it. This is Iroquois cutoff or something like that. Sucks. This is kind of muddy. Gotta take it slow. Alright, I think we're gonna double back and head east again because this is all private property and really nowhere to pull off and take some pictures, so here we are back at the road. I don't know what it's called. whatever street this is definitely runs parallel to Highway 93, so why don't we keep heading north? A lot of potholes. Alright, we're going to take a look at the map. Plus I need a vape and a drink of my iced tea. Check out these guys. Hey buddies, what's up? Cows always stare at me. I shit you not, everywhere I go, cows stare at me. Okay guys, gotta go. I think we're gonna turn around, see if we can take a pathway back to the main highway, and then maybe we'll keep going north. We'll see how it goes. This road right here, it's really bad. It's almost as bad as a dirt road. There's so many potholes. Looks like that street was called Sweathouse Creek Road that we came off of, so now we're headed south. Truth. Here's the highway. Guess we can keep going north. A river access, and we'll see if the water levels are still very high. This ought to work. That was a nice stop. What a great day. It's actually a little bit hot. All right, let's get out of here. But instead of going right, let's go straight across and see where it ends up. It'll be adventurous, like always. Turns to dirt here, but it's paved if I keep going north. We got a decision to make. So let me stop here in the shade and make it. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick with pavement and go to the north. Who knows how far we're gonna end up. Again, if we go straight, probably private property, so let's stick with the pavement, see where it goes. Let's move on. It's what, 4:20. Still got some daylight. All right, you gotta see this too. Turn myself. These cars pass. Okay, have a nice view. Let's keep going a little bit further. We are truly out in the middle of nowhere now. Ain't it great? Well, I think we can call it a day. I'm satisfied. I hope you are too. And the journey will never end. All right, let's rock and roll. This road got rough about a quarter mile in, so we're gonna flip around, have some downhill action. This here is Pine Hollow Road that we're passing. Gonna save that for another day to explore. I'm gonna map it out when I get back. back at East Side Highway. Time to head south. This town, Corvallis, Montana, famous four-way stop. So I think we might call this one a ride. Yamaha Smax 155 was meant for. And with that, I say the journey goes on, my friends, and that's the end. Enjoy.